Everything is much calmer for your Father's Day today. Power is back on for thousands of people, and there are no reports of major damage. Meteorologist Ryan Miller is live in the Weather Center. Ryan, this could have been a whole lot worse considering that we did break some records last night.
Absolutely, Kelly. We did break some records, folks, and we picked up tremendous amounts of rainfall, especially last evening heading into the early morning hours on Sunday. Record amounts of rainfall. In fact, if we take a look at some numbers, Reagan National Airport picked up 2.37 inches of rain. Over 2¼ inches of rain. That's a record for the day. And folks, just to give you some context to everything, 3.65 inches, that's what we typically would see for an entire month of June throughout the D.C. area here. So tremendous amounts of rain, but no active weather to concern ourselves with right now. We're taking a look. Temperatures are into the 90s. We did have a couple of storms that popped here earlier, and there's going to be a chance of a couple of storms later this evening. But nevertheless, we will see rather calm conditions, all things considered. 92 degrees currently at Reagan National Airport. Winds are out of the west-southwest at 10. Humidity levels, they're up there. It was an uncomfortable afternoon in many locations. Heat indices pushing the triple digits in many locations. We do have on Doppler radar a few storms west of Washington and a weather front that's currently over Pennsylvania. That's going to head our way here over the next couple of hours. You can see some of the shower and storm activity across Pennsylvania. That will drop in here this evening. And so we're going to call for an isolated chance of a storm, especially in our northwestern suburbs this evening. 85 degrees, cooling into the 80s, I should say, here over the next few hours. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And overnight, it will be muggy. It will be mild. Air temperatures right around 74 degrees. What's ahead to the upcoming work week? We'll answer the question to that in just a few minutes. Kelly, back to you.
All right, we'll be here. Thanks so much. A 7 on your side exclusive tonight. A disturbing find at a cemetery in Suitland. Just a warning, we're about to show you a photograph that you might find upsetting. Two brothers were visiting their dad's grave at Cedar Hill Cemetery for Father's Day when they noticed something unusual in the distance. Take a look at this. A casket lifted out of its vault and tipped on its side just feet from a creek bed. The men who saw it called 7 on your side, and our J-Corps alerted cemetery officials about the problem. They rushed out and they said that this was caused by a flash flood last night. They say that a nearby creek overflowed and destroyed a retaining wall. That led to the casket essentially being floated out of its vault. They tell Jay that they are fixing the damage as soon as possible and relocating that casket. Tonight at 11, the emotional interview with those brothers who first saw this problem and what they want done. Today, hundreds paid tribute to fathers who laid down their lives in Vietnam. Their families